yo. Fuck, shit. Sorry about that. Sige pa. Anyways. So, yun nga. It's been a year. The hell, Marvel, Sony. What are y'all doing there? Okay. So, kahapon, yesterday, which is, in-upload nila ang Kraven new trailer. At, ipapalabas siya this December. Oh my kulay. Let's set this up and let's watch the trailer. Here we go. The Hunter's a myth. Oh, brutal tong isang to. Wait. Yes. 100 years of gangster. Oh. When the man comes around. Ito na. Oh! Kahos, maganda. December. Daming pushback. Sony, ano na? Ginagawa nyo. This looks good. Uy. It's about time. I-release na to this year. Well, last year pa. I'm gonna watch this one. Looking forward to this one. And that live action Rhino na maayos na yung Rhino kaysa dun sa Missing Spider-Man 2 na mechanical. Ayoko yun. Gusto ko yun sa comic based. Looks good. And what can I say? Hindi ako mag-expect ng kung kasi dun pa lang sa sa Madam with fuck that shit. Tapos yung isa, isang Sony Morbius. I hope na maging maangas at maganda tong isang to. As you can see, it's an action part. R-rated one. That's it for this one. Thank you for watching. Sa tingin nyo? Leave a comment down below. And I'll see y'all next round. Kaya may figure na ito. Time to hunt.